How to buy Bitcoin on bitcoin.com application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on bitcoin.com wallet application. To do so, first of all, open the application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here from the home screen, you'll be able to locate Buy Bitcoin option. Tap on this Buy Bitcoin. And in this page here, you will need to select your wallet. Once after selecting, here now you will need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Once after entering it, tap on this get code option right here. Now here you will need to choose the payment provider. You will reach to this page. Here you will need to scroll down and enter the amount you wish to spend to buy Bitcoin. Also make sure to choose the correct fiat currency here. After that, you will see the amount of Bitcoin that you are going to receive after spending the amount that you are going to spend. Review all the details and choose your payment method. You can pay using various methods. If this is your first purchase, then you will need to enter your payment method details such as your credit card information and complete a one-time identity verification process. Once you have done that, now you'll be able to select the payment method from here, and once after reviewing all the details, tap on this Buy BTC at the very bottom, and then you will need to follow the prompts in order to complete the transaction. And once the transaction is complete, you'll be able to find Bitcoin on your bitcoin.com wallet app. So by following these steps, you can easily buy Bitcoin using bitcoin.com wallet application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.